What's going on, YouTube? Today is a beautiful day. As you can see, we have nice pretty blue skies. So today I want to go ahead and make this video for y'all today on how to check your engine oil in your car. So as you can see down here, we have my engine oil dipstick. This is where we'll be checking my engine oil today. On some cars it'll have it on top of the engine, and on rear drive cars I've seen them on the sides as well, so that'll be some places to look for. But before you get started, make sure you have your car warmed up a little bit. I run it for 2 to 5 minutes, turn it off, let it sit another 2 to 5 minutes before you check it, as well as making sure you have it on a level ground, not uphill or downhill. That will affect the readings. So make sure you have it on level ground and warm it up for at least 2 to 5 minutes. Turn it off, wait another 2 to 5 minutes before you check it. Then you should be good to go. Another indicator as well, it'll have this yellow piece around it, and as well it'll have engine oil on the sides, you can see, so you really can't go wrong. On most cars it will have this yellow piece around it, let you know that is the oil dipstick, so you will be checking it through this. So now we're gonna go ahead and check it. And as you can see, I'm right here at the middle. I don't know if y'all can see it too good, but I'm right here at the middle. I could add a little bit more if I want to, so get it to the second dot. This is where you want to be at. If you're in between these two dots, which is where I'm at, you're still in normal range. If you're at this dot, the first dot or below that, you need to add oil, at least a quart or a little bit more depending on how big your engine is and how big your oil pan is. So you need to add at least a quart of engine oil to get within normal range or at this second dot. Please do not overfill it. Too much oil can be just as bad as not having any engine oil in there, so make sure you don't overtop it. Like I said, if you're at this dot or below that, add engine oil immediately. It could do a lot of damage to your engine if you don't have enough engine oil in your car, or none at all. So if you don't have any engine oil at all, make sure you're adding oil immediately, because your engine can be demolished very quickly. That would happen to my other car. I had multiple oil leaks, which is where I'm about to head to now. If you don't have any oil on your dipstick, that can mean multiple oil leaks. So you want to get that checked out. Or if you just added oil like 2 days ago and it's back down to this first dot, that can mean you got some oil leak somewhere. So you'll want to get that checked out and don't keep adding oil, because you're just wasting your money then. So if you're in between this, right where I'm at, and your engine oil is dirty, don't keep adding clean oil with dirty oil. Just go ahead and change it. It's not going to do anything good for your engine. If anything, it's going to do even worse, because you got dirty oil still in your engine, which is bad for your engine. So you want to make sure you're not adding old oil and new oil, especially if it's this color with fresh oil like how I got here. As you can see, it's pretty brown. I just changed it last month, so I know I'm good. I do a lot of driving, so I will be changing this oil again very soon. Good rule of thumb to check it and change it every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. I have synthetic oil, so it lasts longer, but I will change it very soon. I'll change it probably in a month from now, just to make sure I'm really good on my engine oil. As you can see, I'm in between the middle. I could add more if I want to. Just make sure you don't go past the second dot. On some cars it has 3 dots. That first dot would mean low, that second dot would mean you're in normal range, and that third dot would mean you're good. So if you got that, that would mean that, as you can see, I got H beside Second dot is, I got L beside my first dot, indicating low, high. Also, if you're adding oil to your car, do not add it through here. That'd be the wrong place you'll want to install that engine oil at. Where you'll want to do that at is here on top of your engine. All you got to do is to untwist this counterclockwise, and that'll unloosen for you. And you can add your oil here, but don't do it here. Yeah, so we will be changing this oil soon, and I'll teach y'all how to do that. And with new oil as well, you put it in there. Without oil, the engine parts in your car will most likely clash together, metal on metal, and that's what you don't want. So oil is a lubricant. That's all it does, is lubricate your engine, keep it cool, make sure it's running smoothly. So it's important to have engine oil in your car. You never want to go without it or be low on it. So make sure y'all doing that. As y'all can see, somebody's cutting grass over there. I don't know if y'all can hear me over that, but I'm sorry about that. But like I said, make sure you within between these two dots or at the second dot. Yeah, I recommend synthetic oil over conventional oil. It is very much better for your engine, especially for old cars as well. They really need synthetic oil more, but it's really good for your engine, and it lasts a lot longer than conventional oil. So the two brands I recommend a lot is Valvoline and Mobile oil. So if you see those two, those are really good engine oils. So yeah, that's about it for the engine oil. Checking it, I check it every week. I check mine every week to keep a good eye on where I'm at. You'll want to do the same to make sure your engine oil is good, just to make sure you don't have any leaks or it's going down significantly. So just keep an eye on it. Check it every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, and you should be good to go. Okay, go ahead and wipe this off. All you got to do is put it back in there. If you want to check it again, you can. Yeah, I'm at the middle. So make sure you got clean oil in there. You're checking it frequently. You should be good to go. The next video I will have out for you guys is this air filter over here. I'll teach y'all how to change it and check your air filter, and probably after that I'll have how to check your coolant and change that as well. So I will have more car videos out for y'all, but I hope this helped y'all out today. That's pretty much all you need to know. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, comment as well. I want to know what y'all want to know. Please leave any suggestions, anything like that. So I will have more videos out, like I said, more car videos, teach y'all how to do stuff in the car and keep up with the car. That's very important. So I will have y'all coming. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. So see y'all on the next one. Peace.